Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. The Gupta Navratri has started, and this time it's a beautiful Varahi Devi's Navratri which is started. It is said that if you chant anything, any Varahi Devi mantra, and if you pray to her, and if you look at her photo, and if you speak to her, then she blesses you with all the divine blessings, and she brings in a lot of prosperity and happiness in life. Since the Navratri started yesterday, I had gone and I had kept the statues for some of my students who had booked for the Varahi Devi statue and the Tantric Potli. I had kept in come to the temple where we will be doing the puja for all the Navratri 8 days. So today maybe what you can do is, as a dedication to Ma Varahi, you can do some mantra chanting of hers, or just in YouTube if you put Varahi Devi chanting, you will get lots and lots of chants and mantras of the beautiful goddess. You can put one of it. And today the color can be red. I feel red is the best color. And also, if you can make some prasad for her, and if you can make some urad dal vadas and keep for her with the prasad, and then you all can have it as a family, I'm sure she will give in a lot of blessings and she will bring in a lot of prosperity in your life. So let's see what is the cards which is coming today. The first card which is coming today is the Kal Ratri. So Kal Ratri again is basically a dark night. If you technically look at the meaning of the cards, it's a dark night. But what does this dark night do? It brings in a transformation, it brings in a lot of changes. We get up from our sleep. So basically, when this comes, it means that all the negativity is going to come to an end and things are going to change for the good. So today, whatever you feel may harm you or trouble you is not going to harm you or trouble you anymore. Things are going to change, and these things are going to change for a beautiful change in the whole. The next one which has come is the Anahatakari. I feel this card has come, basically your heart is having a lot of fears and heaviness, because of which this card has come to tell you not to worry and not to have any fears and troubles inside you, but to just let go of things and keep your heart open to whatever blessings Ma Kali is going to give you today. She is ready to bless you, she is ready to give you loads and loads of prosperity and happiness. But she says that you need to keep your heart open, you need to remove your fears and obstacles, and I am always there to give you what you desire, because Anahata Kali basically is opening of your heart. So keep your hand in your heart today, okay, and just call on her, and you can chant any mantra that you feel connected with Ma Kali, and I'm sure she's going to give you loads and loads of blessings. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.